We covered our oil short that we had in at 66.17 was where we sold it. We were bidding at 65.50, so we did cover it in this area. We just got back. We went for a long breakfast. The market was pretty slow, and we did cover that in there. Market's pretty grindy. AD is down minus 3,500. Um, just wanted to bring up a couple other charts that showed nice intraday setups. As I don't have a lot of new on my books to talk about today. But again, this oil trade, we sold up on this candle here as it was taking out the 66 stops with a stop at 66.50, and we covered it here at 65.50 for a cool 1% on the oil futures trade. The other one I wanted to just point out was the Russell. The Russell complex here, the ER2. Let's bring this up here real quick. You can see that the Russell, my data's here pretty slow. Gap down on the open here to the 7 o'clock hour, set our range, and then we rallied back. This would have been a nice entry here for the day trader to sell up into this high that was set in the first half hour, and then put your stop a point or two above that. It would have been a very low risk entry. And then the second one, you would have had, again, covering that anywhere from up here down to here, you would have had a nice rally right back to the underbelly of the breakdown. And you can see that line right here, that 848 basically. It went a little higher. It actually went up to 849. But as long as that red stayed below the blue, this would have been another good entry here at 848. And here we are at 845 on the Russell, and still leading downward. So those were a couple nice setups for the Russell there. Quickly, the NASDAQ, again, down 11 and almost 12 points, 0.6%. Hasn't moved much like the rest of the market. Dow is down 102 on the futures. And again, that has a similar chart to the Russell here. Pretty much everything is trending down today. And if you want to be on the dark side of the futures today, you'd definitely be on the right side. So anyways, that's it. I just wanted to pop in with a couple quick thoughts on the futures trading, and hope you're all having a great day. The Japanese yen dollar, we covered half down here. We had mentioned that earlier. That has filled while we were away also. The USD JPY, again, trying to bring that up, but the data is acting very slowly today. So anyways, we did cover that down here at 121.20, and we'll be looking to add to that if it gets back up to the 121.80 area. So we are still short dollar yen at 121.70, 65.70 is our average, and we took about 50 pips off of that top half right here.